Yo, yo, can y'all hear me? Am I live yet? I think I should be live, right? Damn, lossless is dropping. Probably went to 135. Let's get ready. Where is everybody at? Is anybody here? What's going on? I see like 5 people here. No. Torta gang, full insurance gang. Oh man. Dude, what is up, yo? What the heck? Can we talk about what's going on with fucking Shiba Inu, dude? Oh no, yeah, Shiba's going up, man. I don't even have a doubt about that. I mean, look at the 1 hour. On the 4 hour, you got that trigger, but look, we're gonna close another bullish trigger in the next couple of hours. I mean, at most, we might come back down here, like I told you guys, to like 30-ish 3 cents, right? But I think we're gonna rebound to at least like I don't know, man. I don't know. Trying to figure out to where, right? Because scenario one didn't happen. We did go up after coming back down here. We might actually come back down to here before going back up, but dude, man, today was such a crazy fucking day, man. I woke up and I saw Shiba Inu at like I don't know what was it like. I think it broke. It broke like 37 microcents, and then and then I just kept running. It kept running till like 40. What was the peak high today? Does anybody remember? What was peak high on Shiba Inu? It was freaking like God, dude. What was the peak high? It was 45 microcents. I think at 45 microcents, my position was close to like 23K. I think it was at like 23K, 22K, something like that. And I only bought like what, like $4,000 of Shiba Inu as fool's insurance. Again, it's kind of a lot of money to go into fool's insurance, right? But oh, they have warrants. Fund just has warrants. Is this tradable? Anybody know if fund warrants are tradable? But yeah, dude, Shiba Inu is absolutely went crazy, dude. Super happy. Oh, doggy. Oh shit, doggy. What the hell? Why is it running? Did Elon Musk tweet something? Oh shit, it's running, dude. What happened here? 1 hour bullish, 4 hour bullish, definitely. The weekly just crossed bullish. Ooh, the weekly is gonna close bullish in like today in 30 minutes. I would I would happily throw a bag at Dogecoin right now. I think it's gonna run. I think it's gonna start running. Yeah, I think it's gonna run, dude. I think Dogecoin's gonna keep going. Doggy's moving, dude. I think it's gonna keep running. Look at that. You're about to close the weekly bullish in 30 minutes. 30 minutes. Everything is bullish right now on Dogecoin. The 4 hour, the 1 hour. I guarantee you the 30 minutes been going for a while. Yeah, the 30 minute. Everything's super bullish on Dogecoin right now. Actually, where's my chart at? I think I have it on Bittrex. Yeah, I think I got it Bittrex. Yeah, Doggy's going to 29 cents. I'm telling you guys right now. Doggy's going to go to 29 cents. I'm calling it right now. You're going to see a run to 29 cents. It's been consistent. Look at this. Right? Look at this trend. Right? You've been pretty consistent on trend right here. It's running it's going to keep running to 29 cents. You're going to see it here. If it doesn't hit, if you don't see Doggy, well, I'll show you guys, right? If you don't see Doggy do this, right? It'll probably run here. If Doggy actually hits resistance, it'll probably come back somewhere here to retest. If not, it's going to completely break this and run to like 37 cents. I'm telling you guys, that's exactly what's going to happen. I'm telling you guys right now, yo, Doggy is going to, it's probably going to keep going. It's going to run with Shiba tomorrow. Yeah, it's probably going to run. Well, the thing is, though, because everybody's taking money out of Shiba right now, because everybody's taking profit right now on Shiba, right? That's why we saw that. Well, the drop was actually because Elon Musk fucking tweeted that he said he didn't own anything, right? That's why that's the only reason why this drop happened. So this right here, right? This would have not happened if Elon Musk wouldn't have said, "Oh, none," or that one, I think Twitter account or something. That one Twitter account. If they wouldn't have said anything like right here, then we would have kept running. I guarantee you, we would have stayed up in this trajectory. We would have probably hit. I'm not even lying to you. We would have probably hit 50 microcents if that stupid Twitter account, the Shiba Inu one, the really popular Shiba Inu account, if that account didn't say anything or ask Elon Musk, I guarantee you we would have run up to 50 microcents today. But the stupid account had to ask Elon Musk's opinion if he owned any. Personally, I don't care if he does or not. I don't want him to own anything because I feel like Elon Musk is gonna be able to pump Shiba Inu if he ends up buying like $1 billion worth. If he does, great, because he'll pump up the price just by purchase. But I don't want him to be like, oh yeah, Shiba Inu, and then the price pumps, right? The only reason Doggy dropped an SNL was because he was, because it kind of sucked, right? That's the reason. That's why I don't want, Elon Musk backing this, because I hate the fact that one person can pump it up so much, man. Should I convert to Doggy from Shiba or stay with Shiba? That's Ralph. That's your own call, dude. I mean, you can buy whatever you want. Personally, I would not be against you holding both. Like, why? ¿Por qué no los dos? Why not both, right? I mean, I'm just saying, like, if you want to hold, Doggy, there's no point in not holding Shiba, right? Like, why would you not want to hold Shiba also, or both, right? Like, there's nothing wrong with that. Like personally, if you're worried about maybe missing out on like gains or whatever, just buy both. If you have a position in Shiba Inu only, split it up in half and throw it into Doggy, right? I'm pretty sure Doggy's gonna hit like 70 cents, if not $1 again in this next bull run, if it actually does happen, right? I wouldn't even doubt that it hits $1. Like there's no part of me that doubts that Doggy might hit $1 in this next bull run and stuff. So just buy both. I mean, if you like both, why not just buy both, right? Like there's nothing. No one's gonna fight you against that, bro. No one's gonna tell you that no one's gonna tell you not to buy it. I think this gap. Did this gap fill? No, it did not fill. I think SPY might go down. I'll tell you guys that right now. And the only reason I say that is because it looks like we might close a bear trigger on the reverse MACD. So we do have gaps, though. Keep in mind. You got gaps right there. You have 3 gaps. And also, so Danny D is a regular on my Patreon and on here. So big shout out to him because he's the one that actually, pointed this out. You actually have a same gap between 13 and 14 on October on the VIX. And usually, and he says that there's a 100% chance that this gap gets filled on the VIX. Because I guess he went back historically and he noticed that, every single gap that the VIX has ever created gets filled 100%. And it also seems like every single time you actually hit the support of 15, you tend to rebound relatively quickly, right? So you actually just hit this, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, like last week, first instance. So you can probably see that gap filled within 2 weeks. Look at that. Every single time. Support on the VIX, boom, rally. Support, boom, rally. Support, rally. Support, boom, rally. Support, I can definitely see the VIX running back up. And it's not coincidence that the SPY is technically right now, the SPY is at a textbook, it's creating a perfect sell-off right now. It's creating a textbook perfect sell-off. And what do I mean by a textbook perfect sell-off? You have the stochastic creating tops and you have the reverse MACD about to create a bull trigger like this little green dot here on the underside of the zero marker, right? So you would have, the crazy part is you would have all this space to run down here. And then from here, again, you have all this space to run. I'd probably say it runs to like the 495 level. So I would definitely say I'm see, the SPY is weird, man, because the weekly just closed bullish and not every instance of the week closing bullish does it actually do anything, but look at what happens historically, right? After a week closes bullish and you have another bull trigger like that, like See, it can definitely cancel out, right? I don't know. I don't want to say I'm bullish or bearish right now. It's kind of hard because there's all the charts are kind of condescending, right? Like they're saying different things. But if I had to take a wild guess, right, absolute wild guess, I'd say that SPY is going to come back down, and I think that it's going to fill all these gaps. So SPY, dude, SPY doesn't look scary, but I think SPY is going to come back down, man. It just looks that way, right? The market is, we all know the market's fucked, right? That's what we all know that. You know that, I know that. People that don't trade or that don't, that don't invest, regularly or whatever, even they know the market is messed up. Everybody knows this. Everybody knows the market is all messed up, dude. Oh, is this Danny? Yeah, it's Danny. I recognize this picture from anywhere. Yeah, there he is. What's up, dude? Haka Block and LSS Sheep. Y'all might, yeah, dude, all of them are all micro caps except for Shiba. Shiba, we can definitely probably not consider into the freaking, not a micro cap, but dude, Haka Block, and I'm like, I'm thinking, let's look at LSS, right? Because LSS is dropping, and I already told you guys that I think that LSS is probably going to go back to 135. It might come back here. What I'm hoping happens is that you actually have another bull trigger. Because look, even right now, like you basically have right now, you have it on the 4 hour on the 50 MA. So I really want that to close on the bull side. And it's been wanting to, right? It's been wanting to come back to being bullish for a while. But the bad thing is, look at this. Unfortunately, you just had a bull trigger at noon. What have we been doing? Sideways. So unfortunately, I gotta say that it does look like you were headed back to 135 for lossless. Again, I'm not selling. I think lossless is a great fucking not only company, but I think they're a great crypto. They've been really consistent as far as having their tech actually work, and them being such a low micro cap company, like their market cap is extremely small. So I think lossless has a huge chance of running super hard to the upside. But, oh shit, Haka's running, dude. What the fuck? I didn't even realize Haka was running, dude. Danny, holy shit, dude. Haka's running. Are you still on, dude? Haka just blew up. I told you guys, I knew this shit was going to run. See, look at that. It just broke fucking trend, too. Like, Haka ran. Why did it just blow up? I mean, I'm happy that it blew up. I'm happy that it broke trend, and now it's running to the upside. So I can definitely see Haka breaking 31 cents. Actually, where are we headed, dude? Haka looks fucking awesome, honestly. Where are we headed? It looks like next stop is going to be, for Haka, next stop for Haka is going to be around 44 cents, and that's what? 40, yeah. Why is this here? I know it's here somewhere. Is there some sort of, oh, you know what? No. The reason it's there is because I already did the fibs. So, oh shit, dude, Haka's running. I didn't even realize that Haka was running to the upside. Well, I think I'm pretty sure I'm already up on my position because I bought like right here at like 20 cents. So I'm already up at least like a couple percentages, because what's 7 from 20? Because a 10 cent move would be 50%, and then a 7 cent move would be closer to 30. So I should be up like 40%. If this hits 30 cents, I would be up 50% on my Haka position. So holy shit, dude. Fuck yeah, dude. What the hell? That was like completely random. I had no idea that Haka was running. Super happy, but I had no idea the Haka was running. So definitely a good stop. And I'm telling you guys, dude, I'm telling you right now, I already went through this on how to find, on how to actually find your next plays, right? Or your low cap stocks, right? Like filter it, right? Go on your trading view, filter it so that all you're seeing is KuCoin, right? All you're seeing is KuCoin. Look at the actual ones that are brand new, right? So I saw Haka, and I went to Haka, and I saw that its chart was extremely good, right? So let's do Chain Guardians. What does Chain Guardians look like, right? Let's go to the weekly, not the monthly. Let's go to the weekly. So Chain Guardians, right? You went up, you came back down, you created brand new highs, right? So we'll do this. So, even right here, I would definitely 100% be buying Chain Guardians right now. I don't even know what this is, but the week looks like it's gonna close bullish. I can guarantee you the daily's already bullish, right? Daily close bullish back here. So you would have bought in at $1.13. The 4 hour is what? The 4 hour, I'm telling you right now. I'm telling you, Chain Guardians, whatever this is, it's about to run. It's gonna run again. I'll tell you guys right now. It's that easy to find, small, like micro cap crypto. That's exactly it. Exactly how I showed you guys, right? Go on your trading view, click on your ticker, click on the source, right, where it says select source, type in KuCoin, select it. I should probably buy Chain Guardians right now. That's what I should probably do. I'm not going to, but I should. See, Shiba's the number one traded, or the most popular ticker to have technical analysis done on it on KuCoin. Yeah, I would be buying Chain Guardians right now. It looks like it's about to break out to the upside. And I can guarantee you, if I'm still live in like 2 to 3 hours, I can guarantee you we can see Chain Guardians run up. I'm not gonna buy it because I'm in other positions, obviously, right? But I think that it's gonna keep running. We'll do our sources because I don't want to block. Oh, block is actually moving a little bit. Block's doing okay. Well, but actually, block's pretty stable on the. See, block actually ran up to highs of what, 38 cents or 3 cents actually. Sorry, and it's just kind of trading sideways. But again, look at the 4 hour. Look at the 4 hour, right? We're about to create another bullish trigger on the 4 hour. What does the daily look like? Daily, still kind of bullish. I would definitely say right now you're on price discovery. And as long as you break these highs of, 3 cents, I think you're going to keep running to the upside. Because it does look like, you're still on trend. You're still very high on trend. We actually got 2 trends going on right now. So still very high on trend, right? Is it going to go higher? Can I go higher? I can't. So we'll do like right there. So you got 2 trends kind of, right? 2 trends going on. So you can either drop here or you can drop down here. But I think we're going to close another bull trigger. And you're going to see another run up kind of like possibly like this. Maybe like this. Maybe like a 18 to like 24 cent move or sorry to a yeah. So you know what? By tomorrow, I can definitely see block going to like 45 cents. So maybe throwing a wick up here and doing like a 45 cents. But, if you... And what did I just show you guys, too? I showed you guys the fib extension, right? So... Guess what? Low end. Again, low end. See? 45 cents. We got a trigger there. So I'm telling you, dude, like... All these are super insane, man. Shiba Inu went crazy. We'll do fun. We'll do fun because I've had a lot of people ask me about fun, but I'm telling you, dude, fun. Like Haka is running, Block is running, and I'm telling you guys, it's that easy to find micro cap cryptos on KuCoin at least, right? I don't know about Binance. Binance, you can probably run the same thing, but the theory here is that KuCoin has, the lower market caps, the micro caps of crypto, and the fact that people are actually doing technical analysis on them actually make these plays a little statistically more likely to work because now you have a bunch of micro cap stocks that have technical analysis on them, and you have so many traders expecting a certain move that it's kind of like a self-fulfilling prophecy, right? So if you have a crap ton of people actually doing the same kind of TA, and everybody's like, oh, you know what? This is going to run to the upside super hard. It's probably going to come true because guess what? You have hundreds of thousands of people basically running the same TA and saying, hey, this is going to run up. I'm going to buy it right now. And that's why using that filtered source is such a game changer. And this is the biggest golden nugget that I've probably given you guys. That's how I found Lossless. That's how I found Block. That's how I found Haka. That's how we just found Chain Guardians. And I can tell you by tomorrow, you're going to see Chain Guardians run up like 20, 30, 40%. I'll tell you that right now. And I would be pretty I'd be pretty confident that it's going to move like that. By the way, fun, I don't really need to do too much TA on fun. It looks like it's going to keep running up. I'll tell you guys that right now. Fun looks like it's going to keep running. So not really sure how much TA you guys want me to do, but, fun, you might see it trade sideways between 814 and 871. we're in a very small time frame right now, right? Like we're super small time frame, and the thing is, we're on the hour because it hasn't really done much apart from just completely moonshot from a dollar, right? From a dollar to $24. So you would have seen a 24x. That's absolutely insane. I mean, if you knew that you were gonna run up here, you would have seen a 24x, and I'm pretty sure nobody knew that it was gonna run to 24. So, actually, let me see if we could have actually told. Let me see. Would we have known? Let me see. What does a fib say? I don't think so, dude. I don't even think with the fibs you would have been able to tell. Like, how would you even see it run up that high? Look at that. I mean, the only thing that I can think of is probably running the lows to high. So probably running from here to here and just keep marking it up. But who would ever even do something like that, right? Like, that doesn't make any sense. Yeah, though. I mean, I'll be honest, right? I think you're gonna see another push up on fun. It does. I mean, you do have this gap, so immediately I'm bearish, right? You have a gap between $1. What is this? $2 and $7.46. So I think for fun, I think there's a really strong chance that you're gonna run up. You're gonna run up again. I wouldn't say you're gonna run up to $24, but I wouldn't put past saying that fun's going to, like, I don't know, like here, like $11 maybe. So I mean, I wouldn't be surprised if you see a move like that, to be honest. But yeah, I gotta say I'm bullish on fun. Even though there's a gap here, I would not play this, right? Personally, I would not buy into fun. I think it's obviously a meme stock and it's a momentum stock, but because of where it's at right now, I personally would not buy into this. Oh crap! Sorry, I was drinking a little bit of water. Talking definitely takes your what's it called? Your voice away sometimes. You hit the 618. Yeah, I mean, yeah, dude, I would not be buying fun right now. I think it's too risky. I think the R to R is the reward ratio is not enough, right? Because you're looking at what? Let's say it does go back up to all-time highs, right? Let's say it runs from here to here. You're looking at a 172% run, right? If you buy right now and it goes back to $24, you're looking at an almost 2x, which is fantastic. But if you drop from here and you fill that gap, you lose 77% of your position. So, I mean, like I said, I'm a little biased towards fun running to the upside. Everything does look bearish. Everything looks bullish as far as like the 30-minute chart. And I think you're pretty solid, honestly. I think you can probably keep running. A lot of people sold Shiba right now for dog. Yeah, probably. Let me look at let me see what Doggy's doing. Is it still running? It's still running, right? 27. Yeah, I mean it wicked up. Let me see. Why is it up? Why do I have trend there? Oh, it's just the arrows that I put. Let me see. It hit peaks of 28. Yeah, I'm telling you, I'm bullish right now on Dogecoin. I'm telling you right now, I would not be surprised to see Doggy at like 29 cents by tomorrow or sometime this week. I would not be surprised at all, especially after the week is going to close bullish in 10 minutes. So we're seeing it live, right? We're seeing it actually close bullish in 10 minutes. Although, yeah, you do kind of have a trend here, right? You do have this like right there. So that's why you hit that resistance right there. That's why you have resistance for. Oh, actually, you know what? It's actually breaking trend. Holy crap! Yeah. I think it's going to 29 cents. This is kind of an easy call, honestly. I think Doggy's going to 29 cents, dude. It's an easy call. That's what it looks like, honestly. Doggy running 10,000 transactions is usually the flag for IRS. Yeah, probably. Doggy hit 28 cents. Yeah, dude. Doggy hit 28 cents. Check Marvel. MRVL? What's MRVL? That's the first time I see it. What is that? MRVL? Yeah, Doggy's running. Actually, let me check Shiba first. What's Shiba doing? And also, There have been rumors 35. Yeah, it's dropping. It stays dropping, and I told you guys it's gonna drop to 130. It's gonna drop back here to 33 microcents, and I'm not surprised that it's still dropping. Keep in mind though, you are gonna see possibly another run to the upside, maybe another touch of like 42 cents right now. Maybe in the next couple of hours, you are gonna have the hour close bullish. So we already hit we already hit 33 cents. So I'm guessing you probably keep running down a little bit and maybe hit support and the 50 MA and then probably run back up to like 40, 42 microcents, maybe something like that. But also there's rumors that Robinhood is actually going to be adding Shiba Inu tomorrow, supposedly. Shiba Inu news. No Shiba Inu for Robinhood. I don't know. It came out like supposedly there's a rumor that it's going to come out tomorrow. I doubt it. I doubt that it's going to come out tomorrow. I really don't think so, but we'll see what's going to happen, right? It's all speculation. Dude, it's all speculation right now. Tara, it's bully. Hi. Hi, when will you do videos of the reverse MACD? So I'm gonna start doing videos of the reverse MACD really soon, but that's gonna be strictly for the Patreons. That's not something I'm gonna share publicly because it took me quite a while to find that setup, and as much as I would like to tell everybody about it, I just think it's worth too much to just kind of give out, and that's me just being honest, right? I love my reverse MACD like I love my child, like I love my daughter, right? It's my baby, so I only give that out to my Patreons. I don't give that out to anybody else. But yes, I will start making videos on the reverse MACD. I know it's been quite a while since I had. Well, I need to actually get them out so I can explain everything thoroughly, right? But it just takes a while, man. And I've been so busy recently. But yeah, I gotta start working on those pretty soon, to be honest. Imagine if Fund had options, dude. I would have bought at least one Fund option as like a YOLO. I swear it's a test run for AMC JME. Also, can the fund trend right now be compared to the insane climb back in 2019 when it hit $100+? Oh wait, fund hit $100 already? I didn't know that it already did such a massive move. Oh wow. Oh dude, I had no idea that it already ran like this. Holy crap. Why is it even? What's the news on Fund though? What is the news on Fundware? Why is it running like this? First of all, why is it running like that? Can you imagine like the amount of like what would be the gain, right? Like what would you even? How would you even like test? Like how would you even do this? Like what would the gain be on something like this, right? So let's do this, right? Let's do this. If let's say in theory, it actually runs. Let's say it actually runs back to its previous highs of what? Like 549? If you actually, I don't think it's going to run, right? But hypothetically, if it runs back to its all-time highs of 548, you're looking at a 61x from right now. So if you would put, $1,000, you're looking at a $61,000 gain, or overall position from putting $1,000. I highly doubt that it's gonna be, I really highly doubt that it's gonna go up to here. But it's one of those things where you're just kind of like, I don't even know how something like this happens. I don't even know how something like this even gets triggered, right? So it's kind of hard for me to really say like, hey, this is gonna happen. You know what? I should probably close this out because this isn't. There we go. So this should actually be on the daily, not anything lower. 4 hour, and then we have the hour. Yeah, yeah, but again, I do think fun definitely has another run in it. So for those of you guys that are just kind of coming on, I definitely think that fun can definitely keep running. It still looks bullish. I'm not gonna play it because I do not want to lose any money, and I don't like the risk to reward ratio that fun provides, but it it's you know it's too risky. Fun is super risky, man, and I'm not gonna buy it. It's just there's a lot. You can definitely lose a lot of money in fun, and I like buying stuff that can be a little bit better on the upside. Um, we'll do DKNG. How is DKNG? I haven't seen it in a long time. DKNG's been kind of, oh wow, what the heck? I'm assuming is this because of news? Where did it drop from? 49 to, well, actually, I completely forgot I was on a smaller time frame. But that's a big candle, though. Why do you have such a big candle on the daily? But I guess I already had this. Look, I guess I already made this TA. Look, the last time I talked about DKNG was right here. So on the weekly, when did I talk about this? Yeah, so the last time I talked about this was like mid-September. So the week of September 20th. And this is, I guess I was right because this is what I put as my TA. Just an arrow from here to here. So I guess I was right. It's always cool, man. I love when I come back to these charts and I'm like, yo, this is what I think is going to happen. And I come back and that's actually what happened. So, yeah, I definitely, I'm definitely surprised that, that was kind of there. DKNG, man. I don't know. I don't know what to think about this one. I mean, I think it can. I think it can definitely still run to the low side, right? Like, what is? See, like, I don't know. I don't even know that's a good trend. I mean, it should be okay, but if I had to take a quick guess, I'd say tomorrow. If you throw a wick down here, then cool, maybe you rebound. But if you start breaking this trend, I mean, I think the easiest way to say this is if you start breaking this trend on DKNG and you start creating like, bear candles under here, it's not looking good, man. Like, you can definitely drop all the way back down to what is this? $38, I think would be the next support level. If you break this level, I can definitely see you dropping back down to like $38 or so. Like it doesn't look good for DKNG right now. Like all the charts look kind of bearish, to be honest. The daily looks like it just closed the bear trigger too. So don't be surprised if you keep seeing DKNG drop this week. That sucks. I actually really like DKNG. I think DKNG is pretty solid. Let me see. Trump's a cool guy. I don't hate Trump and I don't like Trump. I'm kind of neutral with Trump. The one thing that I do like about Trump is that he made making money on the market so fucking easy, dude. Like, I'll give Trump that, right? When Trump was in office, it was so easy to make money, dude. So easy to make money. I can literally close my eyes, buy something, and in a month or two, I would be up maybe 10, 20%. Literally, just close your eyes, throw a dart into the wall, and you would make money. And that's why I don't care too much about Trump's presidency. I don't care too much about his rules or what he did. What I did like about him is that as long as he was in office, because obviously he was a very, he was Republican, right? I think before he was like Democratic, or he switched to Republican to win whatever. I don't care, right? I don't care about Trump. This isn't a politics channel, but I do have to give it to Trump because the whole market absolutely boomed while he was in office, and it was so easy to make money when Trump was in office, man. I think it was so good. The squeeze that happened with Fun Friday was only fueled by speculation. If something official comes out with Trump, it could definitely squeeze again. So what is fun? I have no idea what fun is. I have no idea what funware is. I don't know what it's been. What is funware? What are the rumors on funware? Right? Like, what are the rumors going on with funware? What's going on with this? Has traded also focused on these stocks. Funware stock surges. Why did funware stock move? Notably, funware created and designed former President Donald Trump's re-election campaign app. The stock jumped as Digital World Acquisition Corp skyrocketed on news that the company would be merging with Trump's new social media venture called Got It. So they're related. So then, basically, what happened is that DWAC and Funware rallied because they're basically related to each other. That's what happened, and now I understand what's going on. It was all the same thing, pumping. I had no idea that's what was going on. What's your average cent position on Shiba? It's 5 zeros and a 7. That's what my average position is on Shiba. 5 zeros and a 7. Let me see. What happened to AMC? I haven't seen AMC in a while. I definitely have not seen. Oh, they're on trend right now. You have a gap created up here. So now you have 2 gaps created. Oh wait, no, this gap already filled. So here's the thing, right? I think I'll give you guys I'll give you guys my GameStop play, right? I'll show you guys exactly what I mean. And if you're part of my Patreon, you guys already know what I'm thinking about doing with GameStop. And this has never failed before, right? I'm telling you, this has never failed ever in the history of GameStop. If you would have done this every single time for every single instance of GameStop, you would have made like 10x your money every single time, right? Every single time. So, unfortunately, you do have to have access to my reverse MACD. Historically, every single time you close a bullish week on the reverse MACD, the next week after and the next week after, you keep pushing to the upside. You keep pushing to the upside every single time. Every single instance, it stays up. And you peak on that second week. So right here, right? I'll mark the spots where we actually have, a bull trigger. So bull trigger on the week, right? Bullish week close, again, bullish week close, bullish week close, right? And again, this doesn't matter on the Stoke. This is all based off of, let me put it to 2 pixels just so everybody can see it. Again, right here, white, 2 pixels, we'll do white, 2 pixels, and then we'll do white again, 2 pixels. But here's the crown jewel, and I'm basically giving you guys free money right now. And what happened every single time we close the bull week, right? Look at these vertical lines, right? Vertical line, close, boom. You rally from here. Watch. We'll do this first. Close. You rally from $37 to highs of 77, almost a full 100% gain, right? Again, you close on the weekly. You rally from 139 to 349. You rally $200. Bullish we close. You rally from 222 all the way up to 295, a $70 move within a week, right? You close right here. You close right at 161. You rally to 227. So like another $70 move. And that's all I'm waiting for right now. All I'm waiting for is for the week to close another bullish week. Guess what? Guess who's going super, super, super fucking deep in GameStop calls? Me. I'm pointing 2 thumbs at myself. That's all I'm looking for. So next time that if I ever release a video and I tell you guys, yo, GameStop is just about to close a bullish week, you guys should already know 100% that I'm gonna be in GameStop calls for the next week or two, and GameStop is gonna fucking run. I'll tell you guys that right now, right now. Anime God. So I just did GME. I hope you saw that because I just gave you guys a crazy, crazy golden nugget right there. Bearish, bullish on AMC GME from the weekly close. Yeah, so as of right now, both AMC and GameStop are still bearish on the weekly. Look at GameStop, right? We're on the weekly, still bearish, right? Still bearish. We're actually just created a fresh bear candle. So, you know, I would not do anything with GameStop until you close another bull week. Like back in August 16th, back on May 24th, back on March 1st, back on January 11th. I would not do anything with GameStop until you close a bull week. And I think it's going to happen soon. I think it might happen within the next like 2-3 weeks. And as soon as you guys know that we close a bull week on GameStop, I'm going to be balls deep in GameStop calls. I'll tell you that right now. DWC has never had options, and they barely added them today. Very fishy. Yeah, so DWAC was added, what, on Friday? When was DWAC added? I know it's a SPAC. Oh, sorry, DWAC. I know it's a SPAC, a SPAC. And I know it belongs to Trump. But it was at, what, $9? And it ran to $170. That's weird, man. It's kind of hard to do anything with this one because this one looks. What does the hour look like? The hour looks. I mean, the hour looks bearish, but I mean, I would not get in on this one right now. It looks. I don't know. It's fishy, right? Like you have way too much room to run to the downside on DWAC. I mean, you have this gap. What's the daily look like? Yeah, you don't even have anything on the daily. We'll do the hour because there's nothing else that I can probably see here, but we'll do you have support. Yeah, sorry, there's all resistance, resistance, support, and then you have right like here. So you have all these movements right there, but keep in mind you do have this huge ass gap, dude. Like you have this huge gap, and this is actually my bad. Gap's actually from right there. If you're on the hour, right? So if you're on the hour, this is your gap. Somewhere between $48 and $94. If you were to buy right now, and you actually fill this gap, you would lose 50% of your position immediately. 50%. If you actually do end up closing or closing this gap, I would not play this, right? I think there's way too much that can go wrong than right. I mean, I could probably do. I don't know. It's kind of hard. I can definitely see this breaking out to the upside though. So I can definitely see it running hard. Let me see. Can you do this from up here? No, yeah, you can't. We'll do like this. There you go. That's fine. I have 30% battery left. That's fine. How long have I been? I've only been live for 43 minutes. That's not bad. That's not too bad. DWAC, but I gotta say that I'm bullish on this. I can't say that I'm not. Look at that. You're about to close another bull trigger on DWAC. On the hour, bear trigger, but all you're doing is trading sideways. On the 4 hour, technically you're still bullish. It looks like you're creating tops, but I wouldn't. I'd say I gotta say I'm bullish on this. If there were options available for DWAC, I would probably buy one option just to kind of see what happens. I'm not even joking. I probably do. Actually, you know what? Does the DWAC have options? Let me actually check because I don't know. DWAC options. You can trade options on DWAC. That's actually not. That's actually. Oh, dude. I would probably buy some options. Honestly, I'd buy like one for DWAC. As soon as we close a bold trigger on the 30, I can. Yeah, I would not be against buying maybe like one YOLO option on this on Monday for like 2 weeks out. I definitely think it can run, man. I think it still looks bullish. I think both DWAC and Fun still look bullish. Let me go up to a little bit. Can I do TA on ORD? Yeah, sure. I'll do it right now. Bullish on LSS. Yeah, I love LSS. I think it's a very, very, very long-term hold for me. So, don't expect me to be like, oh yeah, lossless to like infinity or something, right? Like I like lossless. I think what the crypto does is absolutely insane, and I personally think that it's extremely undervalued. I should probably be buying more lossless right now, to be honest. That's what I should probably be doing. I do think there's a chance that you can drop down to 135, but you could also recover to the upside. And looking at the daily, what is the what are we looking at here? 5. Yeah, I can definitely see it dropping here before it rebounds. So it's already at the golden fib of 0.5. I can definitely see it drop to 0.618 before you can see a major rebound, which would be, again, this general area right here. But yeah, Lossless, I think Lossless is great, man. I think Lossless is a great company. I think it's a great crypto. I think what their use case is absolutely phenomenal. So, I would not, I would be, I'm holding Lossless for a very long time. And, oh, one more thing. I actually think Shiba Inu it might actually have a chance to run again. So give it another hour or two, and we might see Shiba Inu do something like this. Something like, I don't know, something probably like back here, like 42, 43, maybe something like that. So I would definitely say that it's maybe creating bottoms and getting ready to run back up to like 42-ish cents. But let's look at Doggy. I want to see what happened with Doggy because I know it was running a little bit earlier. It wicked up. No, it's running, dude. 27 cents. It's going to go back to 28 cents. What does a 30-minute look like? 30-minute, still bullish. 1 hour, bullish. 4 hour, still bullish. Daily, still bullish. Weekly, the weekly closed bullish about a couple of seconds ago. So, if you were buying right now, I think entry into Doggy is perfect at you know what? I'm actually going to open a long on Doggy right now. I'm going on my Forex account and I'm going to open a long on Doggy right now. So, nobody do this, you'll lose money. Nobody do this, you'll lose money, blah, 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 all that good stuff. But I am, where is my Doggy? There we go. I'll open up a 0.2 lot, buy. There you go. I'm officially in a 0.2 lot on Doggy. If I get margined out, who cares? Whatever. It's a small little account, but yeah, I think right now, I think entry right now at 27 cents for Doggy, I think it's a solid move. Especially because you just broke trend. Look at that. You just broke trend to the upside. Hey, sorry guys, my daughter just walked in and she's like super cute, so I gotta like talk to her. And she's like the most beautiful thing in the world. What else can I? Hood, Robin Hood. What is Robin Hood doing? Man, I haven't seen so many charts in such a long time, dude. I haven't seen all these charts in so long. Hood's going down. It looks like it's gonna keep dropping. The daily is bearish. Yeah, I don't think I gotta do too much TA. It's already breaking to the low side, so expect a $35 Robinhood soon. I don't even need to do too much TA on Robinhood. It looks like it's going to go down. Tony, what is your net worth? It is a comfortable amount. Lost the child support money on LSS? Wait, how do you lose child support money on LSS? Did you buy the top? That sucks. Whoever you are. Keep holding, I guess. Lossless, I think Lossless is still primed to run. I think Lossless is going to do a pretty solid job soon at running to the high side. I'm just looking at the 4 hour. I want the 4 hour to close bullish. I think it can run back up to like $2.60. Let me look at Haka. I know Haka was running, and I know Danny's in this. I know Danny loves this. So we hit highs of 28 cents on Haka, which I'm super happy about. I think it's going to keep running to the upside. Block is my other small micro cap. It's still kind of trading sideways. And then really just, Shiba Inu right now. I hold like, what is my position in Shiba Inu? About $500 million. So as of right now, I think I am turning bullish on Shiba Inu. We are creating that bull trigger on the reverse MACD. So look at that, right? You are starting to see that push to the upside. See, look at that big nice candle going up right there. I'm telling you guys, in the next 42 minutes, if we close bullish officially, I wouldn't be surprised to see Shiba Inu like around this area right here, somewhere here. Would not be surprised. I'm definitely turning bullish on Shiba Inu right now because it does look like it wants to run to the upside. Check TSM, Apple. You know what? Let's look at TSM. I actually have a long-term position in TSM, I think. You're gonna go. You're leaving? What? No? What? No, you can. It's cool. You can talk to me. It's fine. I'm just. Let me know if you leave. Yeah, I think I've only been live for like 52 minutes. So maybe like another half an hour. I don't know. Just so you're leaving.
Yeah.
Oh, okay. All right, be careful.
Yeah.
I love you. Sorry, guys. My wife was leaving to to the store. So I just wanted to make sure I told her bye, and always tell your loved ones I love you. Completely unrelated to finance or tech analysis or whatever, right? But always tell your loved ones I love you. That's the best advice that I can ever give to anybody. Somebody put Crowcoin, right? The crypto token, right? Crypto? Yeah, the crypto.com. Yeah. I think it's great. I think crypto.com, I think it's amazing, dude. You should I don't like shilling stuff, right? I don't like shilling crypto, whatever. I'll tell you guys right now, I love crypto that is based off of the platform. So, what would you call it? So, Binance, Cake. I think KuCoin has a coin called KCS. I think Coinbase might release one soon. Coinbase. What else is there? Crypto Coin, Binance, Uniswap, SushiSwap, anything platform related. I think is in a great investment. And the way that I see it, so common sense theory for me. Let me turn off my AC and I'm gonna plug in the laptop because it does look like it's starting to lose a little bit of battery. But I'll give you guys another golden nugget, right? Common sense theory tells me that all of your coins that are being that are the core of the platform that you're trading on, right? So like I said, KuCoin, Binance, Uniswap, SushiSwap, all that stuff. I think those are like the Walmart or Target or Starbucks or Coke of the stock market because they don't move as fast as the other ones, right? They won't move as fast as the Shiba Inu or a Dogecoin or a or a Matic or like a lossless whatever, right? They don't move as fast, but they consistently grow, and that's the crazy part about these cryptos that are based off of the platform, that they're such a good investment as far as being just like a solid growth over the long term. Like like I can't like express that enough. Like if you're looking at building a crypto portfolio, I strongly suggest you add crypto like Uniswap, SushiSwap, Binance token, right? Um, what else? Like the Crypto.com token, like Crypto.com coin, or anything based off of the platform. I say is a you're almost guaranteed to make some money off of it longer term, just because they're such a good investment. Like I said, you can compare them to like a Walmart or like a Target or Starbucks or whatever. I think they're fantastic. So I know I went a little bit of a rant on there, Miguel Escareno. Sorry if I got your last name wrong, bro. Escareno. Crowcoin, I think it's amazing, dude. I love Crowcoin. I love, and like I said, any coin based off of the actual platform itself, I think it's fantastic. And I think you can never go wrong with cryptos like that. Sorry, I was drinking water. But you got to think about it, right? You have to think about why why they're such a good investment. That's what you have to think about. You have to think about why it's such a good investment. If crypto.com goes under, that crypto.com coin is not going to go to zero unless crypto.com goes out of business. So not only do you actually have um, a coin that's consistently going higher, but you have the support of a full running exchange with billions and managing billions and billions and billions of dollars, trillions even, right? Um, Managing everything, and the chances of your coin consistently growing is the same thing as like a Walmart or an Amazon, where they just consistently grow. Because if the company dies, if the company does not consistently try to keep growing, then there's no point. So you have a huge backing of an exchange. And that's why I am so bullish on Coinbase releasing their own token, that I'd put so much fucking money, dude, on a Coinbase crypto if they release their own coin, because I have no idea why they haven't released it yet. Um, but when they do, I'm gonna try to buy as much fucking crypto from the Coinbase token as I possibly can, because I love Coinbase, right? I think Coinbase is a great platform. Um, but yeah, I'm telling you, dude. Sorry, I'm going on a rant, but sorry, I'm going on a rant, but yeah. Oh, there you go. What did I just tell you guys, dude? What did I just tell you guys when we were looking at Shiba Inu? Obviously, doggy's dropping, but look at that. You have that trigger on the hour, and then boom, we blast off. So I'm telling you, I'm still expecting something like a 40-ish, 41, 42 microcent, something around here. Keep in mind, you also have the 4 hour creating weak candles on the reverse MACD. So if this actually closes this darker blue color, look at what happened last time. Last time we actually went bullish on last time we went bullish on the 4 hour. Look what happened. You ran from here all the way up to the highs of what? Highs of right there, dude. You did what? You did a 66% gain. You did a 45-cent microcent move from 0.00002 to 0.00045. So like a full 100% move almost, right? But 66%. But you did such a big move on the 4 hour. Again, just keep an eye out on the hour candle. Like you did a nice little jump from 36 microcents to 38. It's the same size as this candle, right? But again, we are looking for this to actually stay consistently bullish and take us to that 40, 41, 42 microcent level. That's what I'm kind of expecting from Shiba Inu soon. Oh, super chat, dude. China de-escalation play for Futu. Oh, so Lunar, Lunar. Ha! I just realized what it meant, man. Lunar. Futu. Man, Futu. I haven't seen Futu in such a long time either. Well, the thing is, I've been so stuck on crypto recently that I haven't been really focusing stocks in general. You know what I mean? And I probably should. I should definitely look into just stocks in general and go back because I haven't really been focusing. And I hope that if you're on this live right now, I really hope that you guys watch my breakout strategy. I cannot tell you how. I don't want to say that it's extremely accurate, but it's a really really good strategy. And I hope that everybody that's watching me right now go just look at my videos and look up something called the breakout strategy. And I'll tell you guys right now that it's been extremely consistent with it making money. So I want everybody to learn that strategy and then come back and tell me that they made a crap ton of money because that's what you're going to do. You're going to make a crap ton of money as soon as you start using my breakout strategy. And I feel like not enough people actually use it or put it to good use. And I would very much like a lot of people to start using it. Um, Let me see, where are we going? Futu. I see the thing here, right? The only thing that you can compare Futu is like a Baba or like a Neo, right? Like why would Baba rally from one? Look at all these things that I have going on. And actually, I just lost like 2 grand off of Baba because I had puts for Baba for 130, and I lost like 2 G's on. No, well, not yet. I didn't lose all that yet, but I already lost like 80% of my position. I'm just gonna let it fucking ride out. But I'm more than likely gonna lose about $2,000 on some puts that I had for Baba to drop to 130. That's what I thought was gonna happen, right? I thought we were actually gonna drop like this and we did drop, right? But we didn't actually go this low. We actually went down, up, down, but you went down, up, down, and you hit 130, 138 at peak low. And then you had that news about Biden talking to the president of China, and you saw this fucking moonshot out of nowhere, which was like, what I fucking hate it, dude. Because Baba should be at 130 right now. I'm telling you guys right now, Baba should be at 130. Um, but like I said, I don't think it's a good de-escalation for China, for Futu. I don't think it's a good idea. If it was, you would have already seen like a nice push up from lows. I mean, you did see what a 59 to 71, so not a bad push. So I guess it did rise just like Baba did. But I think what can happen right now is you gotta wait it out. It can probably come back here to previous support, but you got to keep in mind that there's still a chance that you can drop all the way down, right? So I would wait. I'd say the only way that I'm bullish on this to the upside, like actually running hard to the upside, is if you cross like here. So if you ever go back to 115 on Futu, um, I can almost guarantee you, I'm like 90% sure if you cross this level of 115, right? I can almost guarantee you're gonna see at least like 178. I'll tell you that right now. So this is major key level because this is the relative high right here. So I'll tell you that right now. If someday you actually see Futu run up high and close above, let's say like on the weekly, right? Let's say it's trading up here, right? We already know that it closed above 115. So there's like a 90% chance that it's going to go back up to relative highs, which is like what 177ish. So if you actually, the only way that I'm bullish on Futu is if it crosses 115, closes like around here, that's my signal to buy in, and more than likely you're gonna see it rally to 170 something. And if you do buy in like right here, you're looking at what a 50% gain if you buy shares, but if you buy calls, that's probably like a 500% gain. You're looking maybe like at a 5x of your position. And that you should probably buy like 2, 3, 4 month out calls just in case. But I don't think Futu is like the best play for China de-escalation. I actually think Baba or Neo is, to be quite frank with you. Um, I do like them all. I would personally throw my money at Neo just because I think it definitely has a little bit more of a name of a better structure um, of what's going on. TSM. What? Am I already long on TSM? What the hell? I guess that's your answer right there, bro. I guess I bought in back here at 110. oops, let me see. Let me actually put this down because my buy-in is a little bit down there. So my R&R right now is actually 385. I'm risking $1 to make $4. But this is your answer. I don't think I need to do TA on TSM. This is my TA right now. Buy at 110, sell at 124.96 roughly. So I'm not gonna do any TA on TSM. I guess I already have a long on this somewhere. More than likely, I probably already have a stop loss and take profit set up. So there's your TA. That's what I think is gonna happen. I don't need to do any TA on TSM. I hope that answers your question. Who asked about? Oh, Shiba's running. I told you, bro. What did I just tell you guys? What did I literally just tell you guys about Shiba? As soon as that hour closes, it's still at 38 though, right? Oh man, when you said running, I thought it was gonna like running. Yeah, if you were on the live, we were down here on Shiba Inu somewhere, and I'm like, yo, that hour is already looking bullish. I think it's gonna run. We're gonna start that run, and guess what? We had that nice pop to the upside. Um, but yeah, dude, TSM. I don't know where your comment is. Dogecoin and the Shiba Inu community are fighting each other since they hate each other. What do you think about your opinion? I it's kind of hard to comment on both the Shiba Inu community and the Dogecoin community. I've been such a huge part of Dogecoin, man. I held it on for years before I sold it off, right, recently this year. But I was holding Doggy for at least like 3-4 years, man. And then this was a while ago, and I didn't actually buy my big bunch of Doggy until early January. That's when I really bought in. I really bought in. I think like at 0.002 I think. I don't remember. I was holding 598,000 Doggy coins. And I think I sold half at 15 cents and I sold the rest of it at 40 cents. So you guys can do the math about how much I made, right? I'm not gonna say it out loud. Um, but I have more of an attraction towards the Dogecoin community just because I've been part of it for so much longer. And then the Shiba Inu coin community, I just recently started being part of all the Reddits, and all the subs and subscribe to everything and running with it because, I think Shiba Inu is great. I think I personally I like Dogecoin more just because I've been with it from the start. But I think Shiba Inu, as far as what it can do, I think the multiple on Shiba Inu can run up so high, dude. I think Shiba Inu has such a huge chance or such a huge potential to give like huge returns, and I think the multiples that it can give are insane. So I like Doggy for what it is and for what it was. I still think that Doggy can go back to 70 cents. I still think that it can run to $1. Can it run to $10? I actually think it can. I actually think Doggy has a nice chance of running to like $10. Um, I think the market is very, you know, people from the Dogecoin community don't like Shiba Inu because they're essentially just a better clone of what Doggy is. Let's be honest, right? Shiba Inu is a better crypto overall from what Doggy is. Well, we'll be completely honest, right? If Doggy is like a penny, and this is just metaphorically, right? If Doggy is a penny, Shiba Inu is 5 cents. The crypto overall is just a better crypto, right? Apart from the tokenomics, because there's a massive amount, um, their whole model is just so much better than Doggy coins. And it's the way that you can only compare this is that Doggy coin is the Doggy coin of Bitcoin, and Shiba Inu is the Doggy coin of Ethereum. That's it. That's all you can, that's the only way you can compare this to, right? That's the only thing. And I think that my next fool's insurance is gonna be if you have like a doggy killer, let's go with that, start up on like the Cardano network or on Polkadot or on Solana, then I would definitely put some fool's insurance into those. But as far as the community fighting back and forth, I think they're just fighting back and forth because they just want their own crypto to run, right? They want their own coin to run, and they don't, and they feel like because the other one exists, that's less liquidity for their own crypto to run or to rally. So keep in mind, if Doggy didn't exist, all that liquidity would more than likely go into Shiba Inu. The same thing for Doggy, right? If Shiba Inu wasn't real and it wasn't so popular, all that liquidity would go into Dogecoin. If Shiba Inu was not real, I can guarantee you that Doggy would at least be right now at like 40 cents if Shiba Inu had never existed. And if Doggy Inu wasn't a thing, Shiba Inu right now would be at like a $50 billion market cap. So they're just fighting with each other because they want their own crypto to run. They want their own crypto to rally. And I actually think that the Dogecoin community is actually a little bit more scared than what the Shiba Inu community is, because I think the Dogecoin community already kind of knows that they're already capped on multiples, right? So Dogecoin can only run up so much, right? It's already trading at like the peak was 70 cents, right? I think you're gonna see major resistance at $1. You're gonna have a very hard time breaking Dogecoin at $1, whereas Shiba Inu coin has nothing but upside, and it's an overall better crypto. And I think that's why the Dogecoin community fights with Shiba Inu, because they're kind of scared that you have this big thing that happened with Doggy and all these massive bag holders in Dogecoin that are now converting over to Shiba Inu, and you just have a bunch of people that now like Shiba Inu over Dogecoin. That's what happened to me, right? I started off with Doggy, I loved it, I made a lot of money off of it, and then now I'm on Shiba Inu. I threw some fool's insurance in there, and guess what? I'm making more money. So, and I think people fall in love with their investments a lot, and I think that's a very big problem in the trading community. Is that crypto? You start building communities around crypto and around other stuff like stocks, where that's where I got hurt. So right, so personal experience, I got hurt from RKT. I loved RKT. I think it was fantastic. I should have sold at $40, but I just kind of held on to it. And it's one of those things where it builds a community and you should never fall in love with your investments, right? If it's making you money, fantastic. If it isn't making you money, you gotta let the shit go, man. It's only gonna hurt you in the long run. Sorry, let me do this. With Robinhood wallets, will it help burn Dogecoin tokens to raise the value? The same with Shiba. If I'll be completely honest, Robinhood is not going to burn Dogecoin. I'll tell you guys that right now. Robinhood is not looking to burn Dogecoin tokens or burn them ever. That's never been a thing, and that's not going to be a thing. Robinhood is not going to do that. On the contrary, um, you know, Shiba Inu is based off of the burn, right? I don't think Robinhood's going to burn any of the Shiba Inu. There's no reason for them to there's no reason for Robinhood to burn any Shiba Inu at all. They want to keep they obviously they want themselves to have the more money, and they need it, but they also want the liquidity, right? They need to have that liquidity for so that they can offer Shiba Inu to everybody. But I don't think Robinhood's gonna do a burn. I think the tokenomics on Shiba Inu are gonna stay the same. I think the whole burning thing is fine. I don't really care too much about the burning. You would have, in order for to be to have Shiba Inu hit a cent and have it be economically possible, you would have to burn like 80% of the Shiba Inu supply, and that's just economics. It's just basic math, right? Dogecoin at 1 cent is completely different from Shiba Inu at 1 cent. Dogecoin at 1 cent is like $1 billion market cap. Shiba Inu at 1 cent is like a $3 trillion market cap. You would have to be 3 times bigger than Bitcoin, which would be extremely difficult to do. But you also had Shiba Inu just beat the trading volume of the combination of Bitcoin, Ethereum, and Solana. No crypto has ever done that in the history of crypto. Like, who would have ever thought that the trading volume on Shiba Inu would be bigger than Bitcoin, Ethereum, and Solana combined? Like, how the fuck does that even happen, dude? Right? Like, I don't want to cuss, but are you kidding me? Like, how does that even happen? How do you have Shiba Inu, a meme coin, have a bigger trading volume than the combination of Bitcoin, which is the main crypto, Ethereum, which is basically the second OG, right? Um, and Solana, absolutely insane. Like, how do you have the trading volume be crazy like that? Dogecoin. Oh man, I completely missed all of these, dude. What the heck? Let me go back to all of these. So I hope that answered your question. Roth Civ 78. I don't think Dogecoin. I don't think Robinhood's gonna burn any tokens at all. I don't think so. I think Shiba tokens are constantly being burned. I don't think Robinhood will go out of their way to actually do a burn for Dogecoin. Hey Tony, good evening. Oh, what's up, man? Nice to catch you up on live, bro. Still for steaks on me when you pass by Texas. Thank you, bro. Definitely appreciate it, man. I've never been to Texas, but when I do, I will definitely message you and I'm gonna hold you up to it, bro. You owe me steaks, so definitely, bro. Yeah. Dogecoin and Shiba Inu are running together. Is Doggy still running? I actually didn't check if Dogecoin was actually still running or not. Oops, Dogecoin. Oops. Why am I putting Dogecoin? What the heck? There we go. Doggy is at what? Doggy is at 27 cents. So you did. Oh, you did hit trend and you came back down. So you actually haven't passed trend yet. So it hasn't. You haven't broken it yet. So I'm still just looking, right? Who is the third major meme coin? Third? I know people are gonna hate me for this. I think the top two meme coins are Doggy and Shiba, and I think the third one is actually SafeMoon. I think I think SafeMoon is actually the third meme coin, and I don't think that's gonna change. And I think SafeMoon can potentially run extremely high. I haven't personally bought it because I have no idea how to buy it, but I would not mind throwing like $100 at SafeMoon just to see what happens. Fool's insurance, right? What are my thoughts on Chainlink, Tony? I like Chainlink. I hold a lot of Chainlink. I think Chainlink is fantastic. I think they're the only one with their Oracle platform. So in the future, I do think that they are going to be used tremendously. And I think as far as use case for retail, like Walmart, Target, um, Whole Foods, any retail store really, I think the highest chance of a retail store accepting crypto is going to be Chainlink. And also their Oracle platform is insane, and they're the only ones that offer Oracle. So I love Chainlink, and I hold a pretty nice bag of Chainlink, and I don't think I would ever sell it. Fun to the moon. I'm bullish. Usually I'm not. Usually I'm not pretty crazy about meme stocks unless it's GameStop. But yeah, Fun definitely looks bullish, man. Monday is gonna be crazy, man. I think Monday's gonna be pretty nuts. We'll see. Will I buy DWAC and fund stock tomorrow, Tony? I'm probably gonna buy a DWAC option. I'm probably gonna buy a call. I do like how the chart looks, shortish term. I do think fun. I mean, I do think DWAC is gonna keep running. I think they both are. I think they both are gonna keep running, man. To be honest, I think they're both looking extremely good as far as this upcoming week. I think they're both looking really good as far as TA goes, and I would not mind buying one. What is it called? I would not buy. Ugh, I would not mind buying like one call for DWAC on Monday. There's a lot of room for it to run. What was I gonna look for? There's a stock somebody asked about, right? Oh, Airbnb. By the way, I love Airbnb. By the way, AB. I'm actually looking at AB. I'm actually looking at buying a property to actually list on Airbnb, and you know I think Airbnb is great. I think their business model is great, and I think they have a lot of room to keep running to the upside. I mean, Airbnb looks like it might have hit a top. Yeah, Airbnb looks like it might have hit a top. Why? Why is it going down? Is it still because of the whole pandemic stuff? What's the news been on Airbnb lately? Like, why is it running like this? Or why is it this low? I don't think it should be this low. Can I go lower? Yes, I can. Unfortunately, yeah, I mean, if unfortunately for Airbnb, I would have to short it here. I'd say that we're probably going back to like 153. I'd probably short this to 153 and then just wait till trends broken. I would not buy Airbnb unless you actually have trend break. This is pretty easy TA for Airbnb. right? Like you have what happened back here. You had a touch of, you had a high, another high, and a drop, right? You had a highs right here. I think you're gonna see the same thing happen, right? So drop, major drop, which is a start. We'll do something like we'll clone the first one. I was gonna see if there's anything that we can do to clone. So that seems like an exaggerated drop. I'd say more like no. I think that's a little too much. Yeah, I wouldn't say I'm that bullish. I mean that bearish on Airbnb. I actually think it'll do something like this. That's what I think. I mean, it definitely is bearish. I'm not gonna say no. It's 100% bearish. I would not be buying right now. My trigger to buy would be when it's right here at 153, right? Like that. This would be my ideal buy-in right here, this area. And then if we do drop again to this level, like around this like 136 ish, 32 ish level, that's the only way that I would buy, right? I would not be looking at Airbnb for anything else because I'm looking at the chart, right? I think Airbnb is a great company, but if I can get it for a cheaper price, why not? I think it's gonna go down. I think once it goes here, if it doesn't rebound from there, I think it's gonna go here and then maybe like run up like this again. Um, but there's only two things that can happen. I don't think, unless you see Airbnb go like randomly like break trend, then more than likely it's probably gonna come back to like here maybe, like 215 ish, whatever. Don't be surprised if it breaks trend. So once something breaks trend, all bets are off, right? If it breaks trend, I'll definitely say that I'm bullish. But as of right now, this is like the only thing that I can expect happening. So two things: come back down to previous resistance, run, come back all the way down to previous resistance at 133, and then run. I don't really see Airbnb doing anything else but this. So Airbnb, unfortunately, I'm 100% bearish on Airbnb. Unfortunately, fun is crazy. Can you do a TA on fun? I already did it. So Carlos, I already did a TA on fun. I think I'm bullish. I think it's going up. Are you planning on to buy fun and DWC tomorrow? I'm probably gonna buy a DWAC call tomorrow, more than likely. Uh, Shop Airbnb Uno token. I'll look into those. Carlos, I really hope so. Made 3K profit then loss. Is it mathematically possible to hit 1 cent on Shiba Inu? Not with the supply that you have right now. If you want Shiba Inu to hit 1 cent, you would have to burn a massive supply. I personally don't think Shiba can run up to 1 cent. I think economically, like I don't know if it's worth $3 trillion. I don't know if Shiba Inu is worth um, 3 times as much as Bitcoin. Um, but stranger things have happened. All we got to do is just kind of hold and wait and see. But as far as what it can do, it definitely can hit 1 cent. Is it likely? I don't think it might be likely. I don't think it'll be likely that it hits a cent. I don't know if it's I don't know if I don't think Shiba Inu as of right now, I do not think it's worth 3 times more than Bitcoin. And Bitcoin is at $1 trillion. So if you think Shiba Inu is worth $3 trillion, which is worth more than Apple, which is worth more than Amazon, which is worth more than Microsoft, which is worth more than Tesla. If you think Shiba Inu is worth more than all those companies, then by all means, 1 cent is definitely possible. I want to see a Wojak crypto. You can literally anybody can make a crypto. I've thought about secretly making a crypto, throwing it like on freaking KuCoin and just seeing what happens. To be honest, I love my PLTR, but it really hasn't made me money. Yeah, dude, I loved Rocket, right? I loved Rocket. I did make some money off of Rocket, but it's just Rocket sucks, dude. Like I love Rocket as a company. I think they're doing fantastic. They're making so much fucking money, but look at Rocket. Look at RKT. Sideways. It's actually under IPO from last year, right? Look at that. Look at how crappy this stock is. Look at the monthly, right? I should have sold right here. I saw it. I saw it right there, and I even bought some guy a PS5. Um, I bought someone a PS5 because I'm like, yo, like if Rocket ever hits 40 bucks, I'll buy you a PS5. And it hit 40 bucks, and I sent him $600, and I didn't sell here. Worst mistake of my life, possibly. I think I was up like 70 grand when RKT was at 42 bucks, and I could have easily sold, easily, and I didn't take it because I was in love with an investment. And I think that's the first and last time that I've actually really fell in love with an investment because I really like the company. What about Floki Inu? Floki Inu is the third major meme coin. Floki Inu will do major advertising next month. So I don't think Floki would be. What is Floki? I I don't think you're gonna see a lot of these like doggy inspired tokens run together. You already have Shiba Inu. You already have doggy. I I really doubt you start getting the same kind of um, what is it called? I really doubt you start getting the same kind of love and exposure for other coins like Shiba Inu and Doggy are. Super doubt it. I don't think there's gonna be anything as popular as Doggy or Shiba Inu, at least not for a very long time. So I would definitely not say that there's gonna be anything else as popular as those two. Ripple or XRP. I like XRP. I think XRP is fool's insurance. I don't think XRP is like this crazy thing that everybody thinks it is. Um, I don't think XRP is bad. I really don't. But I also don't think XRP is, you know, what is it called? I also don't think XRP is going to be like the new world currency that everybody's talking about. So you gotta wait and see, right? You gotta see what happens. But I don't think XRP is going to be this crazy, like huge thing that everybody thinks that it's going to be. I don't hate it. I'm not a XRP extremist, right? So XRP is fine. Um, it's I don't think there's gonna be. I personally don't think there's gonna be anything of it. You think BTT is a good buy? I actually like BTT. I think BTT is a solid buy, honestly. But I don't think it's gonna run. I'd wait for the week to close bullish to actually like buy any of it. Just like what's happened before, right? Weekly closes bullish on the week of December 28th, and you literally cut the bottom. It's just up, right? Same here. Well, actually, not this time. You bought here at like 002, and then you rally to 005. So you did like 100%. Well, like a 200% gain. So I wouldn't be surprised if the same thing happens here. If you buy like right here somewhere, and you see like another 200% gain. So maybe like another, you see this hit maybe like somewhere around this region right here. So for this you can actually use the trend, right? So look at the trend base for the fibs. So trend, low, high, and then we'll do the low, which is like right here. Yeah. See, you're right on previous support, previous resistance of 007. So you can see a touch like right here, right? So I would definitely say that the next time you actually close a bull week like this, you can probably see a run to 007, which would net you what? What would this be? What kind of gain is that? 100% gain? Yeah. I mean, I can see that. That looks pretty possible. So BTT definitely looks like 7 cents is possible, but after it closes a bull week. I would not be touching BTT until it closes a bull week, I think so. Thank you. Shop when you can. Thank you, by the way. Yeah, all good, man. All good, bro. Thoughts on LCID? LCID? What is it? What's LCID again? I haven't seen all of these. Oh, Lucid. I haven't seen. I like Lucid. I actually really like Lucid. I think Lucid's a great company, and I think they're gonna compete against Tesla. TA looks bad though. They're probably going to come back to here, like 22 bucks. So, I mean, TA definitely looks like it's going to run down. What happened last time? Well, last time you actually ran up, so that actually might happen again. You might actually see this run to the upside. I mean, just by looking at what is it called? Just by looking at what happened last time, I mean, you actually ran up on the daily, so I can expect the same thing. Possible run up on the daily. 4 hour. I mean, you're still within range, right? You're still trading range, like all right from here to here. Let me see. Where are we? You're still within trading range. Yeah. I mean, I'd say trading range is like right here. I'd probably go with anything. If you like Lucid, anything probably right here is a really good buy. Anything at 22.48 was probably like a super solid buy. But I mean, you've just been trading sideways, so I don't really see. Right, you're on range, like right here. So I'll actually get rid of this one. Take that off. Take this off. You're still on range. I think you can either, if you break to the upside, I think you're going straight to $63. That's actually pretty good though, because you have a strong run to the upside. Is there anything? Well, actually, you have resistance right there too. What about the low side? Low side. Yeah, there's no resistance, so that's kind of crappy. There's a long way that you can drop. If you break to the low side, you're going down to $9 or what is it, like $10? If you break up here, you have resistance at 36, and then you don't have any resistance till $63. So if you break $36, there's like a 90% chance you're going to $63 eventually. But you're still just kind of trading sideways. It just looks like it's going to keep trading sideways. The daily looks like you might see a drop somewhere right here. Maybe like, 22 bucks, 20 bucks, somewhere around this range. And if you like Lucid, I'd probably pick some up like right here. But it looks short term bearish, long term it looks like it's still it's deciding what to do. And I think when you see a solid piece of news on Lucid, I think it's going to start running to the upside. Or if it's a bad piece of news, you're going to see a drop. But Lucid looks perfect. Lucid looks fine. I would not mind buying a little bit of Lucid if it hits like certain stuff. RKT and UMC flop. Yeah, dude. Both RKT and UMC are complete shit. Completely honest, they're complete shit. And I'm still upset at still super upset at Rocket because they're such a good company and it's and it's stupid and I hate it and I'm super salty. I'm so salty about Rocket and I never want to talk about them ever again in my entire life. And I know I sound super salty, but it's because I am. It's because I am super salty because I could have made so much freaking money off RKT and I didn't sell when I should have. So it is my fault, but things happen in life. What can you do? Can't really beat yourself up too much over them. There can we... Oh, wait. That's pretty good. So a firm kept running and I still wouldn't buy this. You guys already know that there's two big gaps that still have to be filled. I would still not buy this, man. I think it's still gonna run though, right? Like bear trigger, trading sideways, bear trigger came down then rebound. I think it's still gonna run, dude. I think a firm can definitely keep running to the high side. Like it looks like it's not gonna hit any resistance for a while. Let me see, what does this show? I mean, you could probably see a 182 on a firm before you actually hit any real resistance. Like it's crazy to think about that, you know, um, just by certain tickers and stuff. Like I don't know, man. It's super crazy. Let me see. Yeah, same. I have to go with that. I think once you hit like 182, 180, 185, I think that's when you're really gonna start seeing some resistance. So we'll go to 180, right? We'll do 180. So I think here to like here, that's when you actually like really see resistance. But I think short term, I gotta say I'm still bullish on a firm. I think a firm's great. I personally wouldn't buy it because it has two major gaps to fill down here, here, and here. But it looks bullish, man. I would not be surprised. And it's back. It's at new all time highs. Look at that. It created new all time highs at 160. But again, I think it's gonna run to here. And if you're looking at buying a firm right now, that's a what? Roughly maybe 17% gain. But is it worth it to have a 17% gain, but a potential of having your position drop by 38%, or more than likely 85, 54%, right? So are you willing to risk a 20% gain over a potential like 50% drop? But I think a firm's still running. I think a firm's still gonna run to the upside, man. I think it's still gonna keep going, man. How do I feel about the graph coin? I actually own the graph. I don't know too much about it, so I don't want to give bad information, but I actually own the graph, and I have a buddy of mine who's like super, super in love with the graph, and I don't know why. I have absolutely no idea why. There are billions of Dogecoin lost forever since people forget about their Dogecoin investment. Yeah, but you can say that about any crypto. There's probably millions of Bitcoin that are lost. There's probably millions of Ethereum that are lost. There's probably like millions, if not billions, of other cryptos that are lost. Everybody loses their wallets. Everybody loses stuff, man. So, you know, Daniel, Daniel, what the hell, dude? D1? Are you D1 trader, bro? What the heck? I'm pretty sure I recognize that image, man. A lot of XRP army believe that they'll reach a $512 per coin. See, I think that's crazy speculation by their part. Like, I think what they're waiting for is for the lawsuit to actually finish, and then when it does, when nothing happens, then they're gonna be like, oh, it's gonna happen, but not yet. Blah blah blah. I've always just heard a bunch of excuses on the XRP community part, so I can't really like. I don't know. I wouldn't mind holding a small bag of XRP just in case, but would I put like my whole life savings onto it? No, definitely not. Not likely at all. Look at that. You just closed a nice bullish candle on on Shiba Inu. Look at that. Officially bullish candle. Boom. Tell you guys, that's price target right there. That's price target 40, like 40-ish, 42-ish microcents. That's probably where we're gonna go, but we'll see what happens. I'm waiting for liquid to launch. What is that? What's liquid? What should I do? I'm holding an in the money SPY call. I just hold it, right? Like if there's a reason you bought that SPY call. Don't think that because I say something that it's gonna happen, right? If you bought that SPY call for a reason, just hold it. Stick to your original strategy. That's what you should do. That's what you should always do. Don't listen to me. Don't listen to anybody else in the chat. Whatever. If you thought for a reason, that SPY was gonna go up, stick to that. Stick to your reasoning, right? Why is SPY going to go up? And are those metrics, or are those fundamentals that you initially bought that SPY call from, are they still there? Do they still hold true, right? And if they do, why would you want to sell your SPY call, right? Just hold it. If you already knew and you already thought that it was a good idea to play it, just hold it. Saitama. I've been hearing so much about Saitama token. Saitama? Isn't that the guy from one? That's One Punch Man, right? Saitama and Uniswap. This one, wrapped Ethereum. What's it look like? Did it just? Damn, what kind of run is this? When did it get listed? Are you kidding me, dude? It already ran 183, 18,000. It did 183x from late August. Jesus Christ. How do you even fucking buy these coins, man? I don't want to look into it. I don't want to buy those coins. Disney looks like a good place to go long, except if it closes under 168, then that's a no bueno. Yeah, Disney. I think we already talked. I think Disney's an overall good investment, man. I think Disney, whether you buy it at highs or lows, it doesn't matter. Disney's gonna go up. It's not gonna do anything. BTC running? Oh shit. 61.9. Oh, that's a nice push. It broke relative highs. It looks like we're probably gonna be headed back to like 63-ish. Because it did break these relative highs back here. What does a 4-hour look like? 4-hour. Oh yeah, it looks nice, dude. It broke relative highs. There you go. Relative highs are broken. Let's do our breakout strat. Where is it going to? Yeah, there you go. Back to previous like resistance right here, around 63K or so. So good job to Bitcoin, man. Actually, let's see if it's affecting Dogecoin, or let's see if it's affecting Shiba Inu. Where is Doggy at? Doggy is at still 27 cents. It's still right on trend. It's still right there, man. Still right on trend. I would think that Shiba Inu is dropping if Bitcoin is running. No, dude, Shiba Inu is running. What the heck? It's at 39 cents again. Look at that. I mean, I already had a feeling it was going to come back here, but I'm surprised that it's running with Bitcoin. That's actually extremely that's very, very new to me. I've never actually seen I've never actually seen Bitcoin and Shiba Inu running together, which is pretty funny. And the weird part is that, the last time Doggy actually really started pushing to the upside was when, see, there you go, break of trend. Trend gets broken, you shoot up. Now the only trend that it's actually going to go to is this one, right? So you have previous trend right here. So if it does hit the underside of the trend, is it going to break up or is it going to come right back down? That's the big question right there, right? I wonder where Ethereum is at. Where's Ethereum at? Is Ethereum running? Ethereum's running too. And I'm actually I'm actually on a long in Ethereum right now. There you go. I've been long on Ethereum since 4,022 on my Forex account. And on Bitcoin, I've been long since 49,000 and like 47,000 or something, I think, on my Forex account. I think but I think I actually got margined out on that one in this last drop. So unfortunately, that kind of sucked. But this is my price target for Ethereum right now is currently 40. What is this? What is this number? 4,800 on Ethereum. I think that's my current price target. But Ethereum has to break 41.89 in order for it to keep running. So right now, is it going to break trend channel, and keep running, or is it going to continue on its beautiful little bullish trend channel right there? So a lot of questions, man. Is it a good time to buy OCGN at this time? OCGN. Damn, I've been going on for almost 2 hours, bro. I'm probably going to head out in a bit because I got to go to the bathroom. Oh, nice. I guess I was right. When did I do this last time? So trade sideways. This is pretty messy. So I guess the last time I did this was back on early September. Trade sideways and then run up or then run down. Yeah, I'd say OCGN is probably a really good time to buy. You broke to the high. The weekly is bullish-ish. The monthly is bearish, but you're trading sideways. So I would definitely say OCGN is a pretty good pickup right now. If you like it, if you like the company, I feel like it's a pretty good place. It establishes the decentralized marketplace for lenders and borrowers to seamlessly interact via supply tokens, funds, minting, interesting bearing QT balance. Got it. So it's a lending platform. Liquid sounds cool. I like the name, honestly. I think it sounds really cool. Liquid is an interest rate curve DeFi liquidity protocol for the Cardano ecosystem. Nice. I think right now I hold like 5,000 Cardano. I actually don't know how much Cardano I hold, but I think my position right now sits at like a couple $1,000. I think a couple $1,000. All right, guys. So I'm gonna look at Tilray, and then I think after this, I'm gonna end the the live because I've been going on for 2 hours and I had no idea that I was live for 2 hours. Man, I still hold a bag of Tilray. I still like Tilray, but it's gonna keep running down, man. I can see it going back to like $11 right now. The weekly looks. Oh, it barely closed the week. Oh, you know what? Actually, it broke trend. It broke trend and it closed the week bullish. Yup. I think it's time to ride, dude. I think as of right now, I gotta say I am 100% bullish on Tilray. That actually makes me extremely happy. So Tilray, 100% bullish. I'm so happy to say that those words coming out of my mouth that I think that Tilray is gonna keep running because it closed the bull week, it broke trend, and it's gonna close the month more than likely this month or next month, possibly bullish if it doesn't have like another random drop. Um, but with that being said, I'm super hungry, so I'm gonna go eat, and I've been already live for like the last almost 2 hours or so. So thank you to everybody for joining the live. Like always, I hope you guys enjoyed coming on. I try to do these at least once a weekend when I, as much as I can because I love hanging out with you guys. Um, so for the next time, hopefully I do come back next week, and I'll try to do another one or two videos during the weekend. These last couple of days or these last couple of weeks have been extremely I've been extremely busy, man. I've been helping my parents paint their houses and all this other stuff. So it's just been super busy, man. And I wish that I had a little bit more time to go live during the weekend because um I really love doing these. I really love the lives that I do with everybody. And Bitcoin actually broke its trend down, right? Bitcoin broke trend. Actually set it up a little bit too high there. Actually, that's not bad. So Bitcoin did break trend right there. So that's pretty good to go. And right now you have two channels, right? Two channels that it can trade. It can stay up here or down here, trade on this channel, or you can trade in this channel, or it can trade in this channel. This would be extremely bullish, right? So super bullish number one, super bullish number two, bullish number three, and then like medium bullish like number four. And I actually think this tier right here, these two tiers right here are actually the probably the best bullish place to be right there. I think my daughter's here. I don't know. I'll see you guys later. I was talking to myself there, but I'll see you guys later. Have a great weekend. Thank you everybody for coming. Love you guys so much. I hope that I can definitely do these in the future. Will I ever do a video discussing the stochastic? Yeah, I'll make a video. I'll just make that into a regular video. I can probably make a video this week and just post it later. But look out for that video. Thank you guys so much for joining. Love hanging out with you guys. I hope the TA helped everybody out, and I will definitely see you guys in the next video. Have a great day. Bye bye. Literally just finished.
That's fine. I was